Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. In today's video, we are going to make a super quick and healthy chickpeas salad recipe. For that, here I am taking half a cup of chickpeas and we need to soak them overnight. Next day morning, our chickpeas are nicely soaked and now it's time to boil them. Drain out the excess water. Here I am taking a pressure cooker. We'll add the chickpeas, add little water, pinch of pink Himalayan salt and pinch of turmeric powder. Give this a mix and allow it to cook for 2 to 3 whistles in low flame. Once done, keep it aside. And here I have chopped all the vegetables that we will be using. Red cabbage, carrots, cucumber, pomegranate, lemon, onion, green chilies and tomato. We need to finely chop all the ingredients. You can definitely replace them with anything else that you prefer in your salad. Here our chickpeas has also cooled down and they are nicely cooked. Now in a plate I will be serving the salad. Adding some chickpeas, carrots, cabbage, green chilies, chickpeas and all the ingredients one after the other in a color coordinated way. And here our salad is all ready. We just need to add salt and other dressings that you prefer. I am adding pinch of pink Himalayan salt, black pepper powder because I love them in any of my recipes, and a spoon of mustard oil. You can definitely replace this with olive oil or anything else that you prefer. So that's all for today's video. I hope you liked this video. If you did, do make sure to like this video, leave a comment and subscribe to the channel. Until we meet next time, stay healthy and happy. Bye-bye.